dreams of getting richer. Then my homie Breeze set me down, schooled me to the picture. I was with some wild niggas, put me on the game, told me if you trying to make your move, you gotta know your lane, homie. All you got your name, and your words will never break it. For this life you pay a price, you get a chance, you gotta take it. Cause most niggas never make it, they stranded where I'm from. Ain't no conversation, all they understand is get a gun. I was riding in my Bonneville, hoping I could make it out. Selling bees and smoking weed, avoiding police right up the street. Way back in the day before I had all of this paper, before I had all of these diamonds, before I had all of these haters. Now, I remember when I seen it and to me it was stunning. I remember when I bought it, I ain't needed or nothing. Always in a different state, so now they label me a goner. I ain't come up out of nowhere, I'm from straight up off the corner. Everywhere we go, they probably know my name cause I've been there. Everywhere we go, they saying how much I spend when I'm in there. And I'm throwing up my money for the ones who never made it, saying fuck the ones who hate it. Rolling up and celebrate, now let's get medicated.
Get off on him.
Man, let's get medicated. Let's get medicated. Man, I'm hella faded. Man, let's get medicated. Let's get medicated. Let's get medicated.
Oh, that bear's fucking me up. Been smoking, take a bitch home and poke it. Oh shit. Was bad as fuck. Juicy do all them drugs. Here's no sleep team.
Get a whole pound smoking by myself, or maybe at the Olympics with my homie Michael Phelps. You know I'm fresh up off that corner, pussy marijuana. They copy us, they clone us. Yeah, we some flat whip owners. Got them acting like they been before, but they ain't never been at all. 8 balls, I was in the hall, ain't have time to fuck with y'all. Champagne when we celebrate, King Sin, so I smell the hate. Middle finger, we getting paid. It costs much, but don't price that A. That dotted line ain't like that day. Comic book let me illustrate like Tao Bang when they lift that K. My cousin died, wish I could get that day back like it's a vertebrae and bring that nigga on Front Street. Talk about it, never be about it. They don't want beef cause that's lunch meat. So anything you need, you know that's on me. And that's OG. I swear, now let's get medicated. Man, let's get medicated. Let's get medicated. Man, I'm hella faded. Man, let's get medicated. Let's get medicated. Let's get medicated. Man, I'm hella faded.
Yeah, so
I'm hella faded.
if you think I should start my own wolf pack, let me know. If you want to join the pack, let me know. If you have a name suggestion for the pack, let me know. Yeah.
Always in a different state, so now they label me a goner. I ain't come up out of nowhere, I'm from straight up off the corner. Everywhere we go, they probably know my name cause I've been there. Everywhere we go, they said how much I spend.
Man, they're struggling taking those birds down.
Let's get medicated. Man, let's get medicated. Let's get medicated. Man, I'm hella faded. Man, let's get medicated.
Oops.
Let's get medicated. Let's get medicated.
Whatever.
Man, I'm hella faded. I'm
Hella faded. Ah. Turn ass back around this way. No one wants to say hi to YouTube?
Hi, I'm Dr.
Wow.
Stewart. I've dedicated my life.
Oh shit! If I know, buck the fuck out of me just now.
Since I was 7 years old, I'd known that I wanted to be a veterinarian. I fulfilled that childhood dream and am now the chief veterinary officer for American Humane, the country's first national humane organization. But I'm not alone in my mission to help animals. Every day, thousands of veterinarians
take that shit.
Experts go to work at zoos and aquariums around
Fuck you and your big ass horn.
Humane heroes who are on the front lines of one of the largest conservation efforts in human history.
I think Pumbaa was a pig, right?
The effects of pollution,
Timon and Pumbaa.
climate change, and environmental degradation endanger and threaten animals around the globe. The good work that professionals at zoos and aquariums do is helping to save species,
you see,
provide life-saving research and
in this game,
and inspire millions of visitors each year.
Fuck is my other phone? Oh, here it is. Right, most people like to try to. Most people try to go for like the high kills and like the big kills. Me, I attack everything. I kill everything. For the simple fact, you get more points, you know? I mean, yeah, sure, going after the big guys, you get more XP. And gives you more quantity points at once. But skipping these little fucks, well, it kind of work against you, because then you'll be higher level. But your stats won't be too high. Perfect example. Show you my stats. Yeah, I'm level 38. Look at my stats. They're higher than my level, which means I'm stronger. For my level, I'm strong. Oh shit. You got ran up on by a hawk? What's up, little bitch? I'm gonna fuck you and your crew. Take all you bitches now. Just like that.
Damn, all of my whips proper. All of my time Rolex clocks fill my pants with knots. Be 100 years till the shit stops.
Yeah. I don't got champagne, but I do have this. Yes. I'm gonna go for these two big fucks over yonder.
Girls pussy popping just to give me a change. Old school's Europeans and cold champagne. This the L-I-F-E. These bums don't impress me, then bro. Let them choke. Damn, all this gold's heavy. New Prezi, blue Chevy. Baby girl choosing, goddamn, she's too ready. More guapo. Yeah, they love me like Chapo. Pull up with the top gun. Cuddy call me Pablo.
Whoa. Come on, you big bitch. Oh, no, don't go back. Damn it, now I got both of you bitches. Oh, no. Ah, she got my ass kicked. What the fuck? Oh. I like that song. It's a good song. But I also like this song too. Not this one. That was an ad. That was an ad. I like this one. Move my speaker a little bit closer. My phone and shit close up to my fucking face. Yeah, so when it doesn't have a. What's going on today? We got a problem, and I think it's gonna make us go down. They think we're all the same, and always we're to blame.
It's time to stop the game. I think it's time to pay for everything you make me say.
I wanna sing, I'll say fuck that. Fuck that, fuck that. Yeah, I wanna sing, I'll say fuck that. Hey, that's some help. Damn right, good shit. Gratitude goes a long way. Not today. Why must it be this way? My hair is crazy. Oh. Y'all want to single say fuck that. Fuck that. Oh, that's a dope ass spell. We're gonna move. Fuck these Jags.
Y'all wanna see fuck that, fuck that, fuck that shit. Y'all wanna see fuck that, fuck that, fuck that shit. Y'all wanna see fuck that, fuck that, fuck that shit. Y'all wanna see fuck that, fuck that, fuck that shit.
That's the only part I don't like. I don't like all that distorted screaming shit. Is that a moose? Oh no, it's a big ass Timon. He was on the rock. Damn, all three of us just went separate ways. Well, damn, about to end this video.